what's up? Thank you for joining me on my channel. I am Serena Monique. It is time for another hair video. This is a 10-day wash and go. Yes ma'am. Check out my detangling video and you'll see what products I used and how I use them. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing a whole new line to me. I believe it's new, but it's new to me for sure. It is the Shea Moisture Moringa and Avocado Power Greens line. I'm so looking forward to using it. It just came this morning, so I'm about to wash, condition, and treat my hair. As well as moringa and avocado, all of the products have kale, matcha, and green algae. The shampoo is sulfate free, which is fantastic. It says unveil your hair's healthiest look yet. We'll see about that, Shea Moisture. We'll see. My hair was super dry, so it definitely needed this good drenching before going in with the Power Greens shampoo. The shampoo was nice to use. It wasn't super drying. It actually felt quite nourishing, to be honest. Rinsing it out and parting my hair, putting it into sections, you know, those old OG4 sections, and then going in with the Power Greens conditioner. Like I said, my hair was super dry. It was a heat wave. This was a 10-day wash and go, and there was a lot to get through. You'll see the left side, this side right here, was more knotty than ever. Ever. Conditioner was decent to use. I didn't notice that it was like super slippy, so I wouldn't say it's great for detangling. It's probably very nourishing. I left it in for about 3 to 5 minutes while I washed my face, and then I went ahead and detangled my hair. Rinsing that out and then going in with the reconstructor. I got a big old handful. I went in heavy with this product because I can. I got this Shea Moisture product on a sample deal, so I only paid for shipping, which was like £6.50. So I'm gonna use these products heavy, honey, heavy. The reconstructor was nice to use, but I'm not sure if it's because I'd already detangled my hair as to why I could feel the difference in using this particular product. Probably if I was to actually buy these products, I would buy maybe the shampoo and the reconstructor and leave out the conditioner, just because I love a good old treatment. Let's get to the meat of this review. Let me talk about these products real quick. If I was to see these products in the shop, I probably wouldn't buy them, only because it doesn't say a lot on the packaging as to what it can do for your hair. I still don't know what it can do other than give you your healthiest look yet, which is what it says on the packaging. The products do not smell bad at all. They smell quite natural. You can smell that they're definitely Power Greens, but it's kind of like when people say it's about the personality. No, the attraction is the aesthetic first, and then you get to know the person's personality. So with hair products, if it doesn't smell good, I ain't buying it. If I'd have been in the store, opened the packaging, and it didn't give me like a oh my god moment, I'd have put it back on the shelf. But that's not to say that the products are bad. Like I said, they're making my hair feel nice. However, if it was a store-bought moment, they wouldn't have come home. And that's on period. Okay, back to the video. I give my hair a good old rinse because I don't think this is a product that you can leave in like conditioner. So I make sure every last bit of it is out. And then I wring out the water and show off my super pretty curls. I love my hair when it's wet. Always have done. Hair looks super dark and super cute. Okay, stop showing off now, girl. I then put my hair in 2 buns before jumping out the shower. I use my Aquis towel to take out any excess water while I get dressed and do my skincare. And then I go in and apply my products. Today, I'm going to do some jumbo twists because I want to have a style that is low maintenance, low manipulation, and low weight. I mentioned in the last video that I'd had postpartum shedding. It's still going on. I think it goes on until Phoenix is about 1. So quote unquote, they say. You can see that the edges have evacuated the building. Like, it's not cute for me to see, but it's something that I'm going through and dealing with. So they will come back eventually. But for now, we just do this low manipulation business. But yeah, if you see my previous videos, you'll see the density that used to be there versus now. So yeah, I want to go in with the jumbo twists just so that I can leave my hair alone for a while. The past 2 wash days, I've done wash and goes, which again, for me, that's low manipulation. It's low weight because I'm not adding hair to my head. And it is low maintenance for the most part. But then obviously it can get dry, it can get matted if I leave it for too long. So I wanted to go in with the twist because it will keep my hair from tangling up. As well as that, I can throw it up in a high bun, in a low ponytail. I can do half up, half down. They really are quite versatile, these jumbo twists. So I've parted my hair in 4, and then I've parted those sections of 4 into 4 again. I went in with my Bouclem oil as, I don't know if I would say it was a leave-in. I just wanted to oil my scalp, and this hair oil is so nice on the hair. It's so lightweight. It smells delicious. To be honest, the way Bouclem use essential oils in their product, I would have hoped that the Power Greens line would have had that kind of herbal smell as well. So I've gone in with that first. Side note, I used this oil to do a blow dry before putting braids in my hair. It was the quickest blow dry ever. It was so smooth. It was just beautiful. Anyway, back to this. So I've done the oil first, then I've put in a wrapping mousse, and then I've gone in and coated my hair with Blue Magic. It's the yellow one. I can't remember what it's called. And I've oiled my scalp with that as well. And then I'm going ahead and doing my twists. I'm absolutely obsessed with these twists. I love how they puff up. I love how they're a little bit messy. I love how the partings are not straight, so don't even watch that. It's giving 90s. I'm cute and I don't give a damn. No damn, no ma'am, no Pam. And that is me done. Thank you so much for watching my review. If you got to the end, well done. Let me know in the comments if you've ever used this line or if you think you want to try it. Take care, loves. Peace out.